Hey YouTube, Sam here from Samyara's Den, where Dilyara and I cover various recipes for the everyday you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button over here and tap that notification bell to stay up to date to every single video that we put out. Now we try to put out videos every Monday, so stay tuned for them. So I came across this infographic the other day that talked about making the perfect salad. Now they talked about having a base, having something crunchy, something soft, having something unexpected.
I cannot teach him. The boy has no patience.
Wise words by Master Yoda. Also adding some protein and a dressing. La 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 la. And that got me thinking, how often do we really have all of these ingredients lying around at home? Well, most often than not, we usually do a quick rummage in our pantry, and we actually found quite a lot of ingredients that matched up all of these requirements. We had cabbage for the base. For something crunchy, we had apples, yellow and green bell peppers, cucumbers, sunflower seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds. We also had cheese for something soft, and for something unexpected,
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition.
we certainly didn't have the Spanish Inquisition, but we do have Master Yoda over here. So raisins and oranges must add we. And for proteins, we just boiled some eggs. And lastly, for the dressing, we had some pesto sauce lying in the fridge, and we just squeezed out 2 limes. So yeah, we're just gonna add some pesto and some lime juice for the dressing. Salt and pepper to taste, and let's get chopping. So there you go, a refreshing summer salad to tingle your taste buds without feeling guilty. I'm just gonna dig into a little bite over here. Wow, bursts of flavor. The orange definitely adds a surprise element over there, and it's just so cooling, refreshing, definitely much needed during these summer days. So what's something unique that you enjoy in your salads? Drop your favorite ingredients in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm Sam for Samyara's Den, signing off. Cheerio!